Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to automatically and sequential numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we show the easiest method. Firstly, select your cell, then write 1, then go to the next cell and then write 2. Then select this multiple cell, click and drag on our mouse. Then select the plus icon and drag on your mouse. Then we can see that the number is automatically or sequential. We can see we put it the sequential or automatical number easily. You can apply the same process in another cell. Now I am write again 1, then press down arrow and write 2, then select this multiple. Otherwise you can double click to this or drag on your mouse to make the sequential number. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.